Hi, Sal. My name is Tisha. You and I spoke yesterday. Thank you so much for taking out time and watching my video. I came across your company while doing researching your areas for plumbers, and I wanted to just provide some tips for increasing your online presence, increasing traffic to your website, and increasing business. So today we're going to be speaking on three different topics, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So the first would be content. Content is anything that can be found throughout your website. So words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and any videos. Now, in order to increase your ranking on Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by having more content, you will be able to use more keywords. Now, keywords are words that are typed within a Google search engine. That's how they find companies providing certain services or certain type of companies. So the more keywords you're using, then the more people are able to come over to your website. The next would be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found. Now, this could be through a local directory, Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, Angie's List, or Home Advisor. Those are some examples. So the more citations you have, then the more people are going to be able to find out about your business and come over to your website. Our goal is to make sure you have more citations than your top competitor or your competitors. Now, this is what I found when typing in plumbers in Oakland. So the first thing we see here are paid per clicks. So these are companies that are paying to be listed here. The next is going to be the map pack. So it's really important to be listed in this area. Generally, when someone is looking for a certain type of company or service, they will call or go to the website directly from this area. So the goal would be to have you listed here. The next is going to be the organic search. Now, first we see here will be Yelp. The first company that we see though is Albert Naaman Plumbing. So then that would be your top competitor. Now, I just wanted to show you where you are ranking on this organic search. Before we get to your ranking, we see here that there are ads that are listed. And these are paid by the company. And sometimes these ads are not always good. Sometimes people have ad blockers, so they don't even see these ads. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, I'm showing here that you're ranking number 41 and you're on page 5. So our goal would be to get you on the first page. Now, let me just show you the website for your competitor. So this is Albert Naaman's Plumbing's website. They are utilizing a lot of content throughout their website. Okay. The next thing we're going to look at is a tool called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs shows us how your website is doing. These numbers are not exact, but it still does give us an idea. So I'm showing you have 22 backlinks. Backlinks are links that are on a website that leads back to your website. So the more backlinks you have, then it will increase your traffic. One thing that we look at is the backlinks that your competitors have, and we can build those same backlinks for you to increase that traffic. I'm showing that you're using 36 keywords. That's how you're being found. And I'm showing one person's coming to your website per month and about $30 in revenue. Again, this is just an estimate. So the keywords and how you're being found, people are typing in sewer lateral inspection, plumbers Oakland, sewer lateral Oakland, plumber Oakland, Oakland hydro, sewer replacement Oakland, hydro jetting near me, sewer repair Oakland. So this just gives you an idea of how you're being found, okay? So next we'll look at your competitor, Albert Naaman Plumbing. So they have 1,800 backlinks. They're utilizing 1,600 keywords. They're bringing in 801 people to their website per month and generating 13,000, a little bit over 13,000 in revenue. These are some of their keywords that they're using: garbage disposal repair, their company name, Plumbers Oakland, tankless water heater maintenance, who to call to fix garbage disposal, residential plumbers near me, water boiler repairs. So these are just some of the examples. And again, we can always use some of these keywords that they're using that is causing them to rank high and use those same keywords for you in order to get you ranking higher. So I hope you have enjoyed these tips that I have provided. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like to talk about this more in depth, my phone number is 916-378-9773. I would like to hear from you either way to receive some feedback on this video. Tell me what you think. Thank you again for taking out your time and watching my video. I hope you have a good day.